What if students could build smart applications, create chatbots, and use artificial intelligence, all before finishing school? Introducing AI Innovators, a complete program for students from grade 8 to 12. In this program, students learn Python programming, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and generative AI in one powerful journey. They don't just learn, they build real-world AI projects, chatbots, and smart applications. Students begin with Python fundamentals, then move into data analysis and visualization using real data sets. They explore how AI works, followed by machine learning concepts like regression, classification, and clustering. As they advance, students learn deep learning, NLP, and generative AI, including prompt engineering, AI content creation, and chatbot development. They also learn to build AI applications, even without coding, and understand important topics like AI ethics and data safety. Throughout the program, students develop strong coding, logical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills. With hands-on learning and expert guidance, students work on exciting projects like AI chatbots, image generators, recommendation systems, and more. By the end of the program, students complete 10+ real-world projects and build a strong AI portfolio. They also earn certificates in Python programming, AI and machine learning, and generative AI. With structured learning, live sessions, and continuous support, students grow from beginners to future-ready innovators. This is more than just a course. It's a complete journey into the world of AI. Book a free demo class today and start your journey with AI Innovators.